Imagine waking up tomorrow, looking into the mirror, and realizing something impossible. You look exactly the same as yesterday. Not unusual. But then, a week passes, a month, a year, 10 years, 20 years. Your face never changes. Your hair never turns gray. Your skin never wrinkles. Your body never becomes weaker. You have stopped aging. At first, it sounds like the greatest gift humanity could ever receive. No more wrinkles. No more age-related diseases. No more physical decline. But what if stopping aging creates problems we've never imagined? Would humanity become immortal? Would society collapse? Would life lose its meaning? Tonight, we're exploring one of the most fascinating questions science has ever asked. What really happens when humans stop aging? Most people think aging simply means getting older. But biologically, it's much more complicated. Every second, millions of your cells are dividing, repairing tissues, replacing damaged cells, keeping your body alive. But this incredible system isn't perfect. Over time, tiny mistakes begin to accumulate. DNA becomes damaged. Proteins stop working correctly. Cells lose their ability to repair themselves. Some stop dividing altogether. Others refuse to die when they should. Little by little, the body becomes less efficient. This gradual loss of function is what we call aging. It's not caused by a single process. It's the result of countless small changes happening inside you every day. Now imagine, scientists discover a way to stop every one of those biological changes. Your cells continue repairing themselves perfectly. DNA damage is constantly corrected. Your organs remain healthy. Your muscles never weaken. Your bones stay strong. Your immune system remains youthful. You are still alive, still growing older in years. But your body remains biologically young. At first, the benefits seem extraordinary. Heart disease becomes rare. Alzheimer's nearly disappears. Cancer becomes easier to prevent. Life expectancy rises dramatically. For the first time in history, old age is no longer humanity's greatest enemy. Here's where many people make a surprising mistake. Stopping aging does not mean becoming immortal. You could still be injured. You could still become infected by dangerous diseases. You could still experience accidents. You could still die. Aging is only one cause of death. Removing it doesn't eliminate all the others. In other words, you might live for centuries, but not forever. Biological immortality is very different from absolute immortality. Now imagine billions of people, simply never growing old. Year after year, new children continue to be born, but almost nobody dies from aging anymore. The global population begins growing faster than ever before. Cities expand endlessly. Food demand skyrockets. Housing becomes scarce. Resources become increasingly limited. Governments face impossible questions. Should birth rates be limited? Should people have fewer children? Would society eventually reach a point where Earth simply cannot support everyone? Defeating aging may solve one problem, while creating another. Think about your entire life. School, university, career, retirement. Now imagine living for 500 years. Would retirement still exist? Would people study multiple careers? Would someone spend 80 years becoming a doctor, then another century learning astronomy? Knowledge could grow beyond anything we've ever imagined. Experience would become humanity's greatest resource. But wealth might also become concentrated. People who accumulated fortunes over centuries could become unimaginably powerful. Society itself would need entirely new rules. Perhaps the biggest question isn't scientific. It's philosophical. Many people argue that life is meaningful because it's limited. Every birthday matters because we know time is precious. But what happens if time becomes almost endless? Would people stop chasing dreams? Would they procrastinate forever? Or would they finally have enough time to learn everything they've ever wanted? No one knows. But history suggests something remarkable. Humans always find new goals, new challenges, new dreams. Perhaps meaning doesn't come from the length of life, but from how we choose to spend it. This may sound like science fiction, but researchers around the world are already studying aging more deeply than ever before. Scientists are investigating why cells deteriorate over time, how DNA repairs itself, why some organisms age much more slowly than others, and whether certain biological processes can be influenced to promote healthier aging. These studies are helping us better understand the mechanisms behind aging and how to reduce age-related diseases. However, there is currently no proven way to stop human aging completely. For now, the dream of permanent youth remains exactly that, a dream. But history has taught us something important. Many ideas once considered impossible eventually became reality. So, what happens when you stop aging? Your body stays young. Your cells remain healthy. Diseases become less common. Human life changes forever. But immortality remains out of reach. New challenges emerge. Overpopulation, economic inequality, questions about purpose, questions about time, questions about what it truly means to be human. Perhaps the greatest discovery won't be learning how to stop aging. Perhaps it will be learning what to do with all that extra time. Because in the end, the most valuable part of life may not be how long it lasts, but what we choose to do while we're here. Fade to black.